Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Momma and I'm on the TransAmerica Trail. First dirt road. The TAT, a trail mapped by Sam Correro back in the 1980s for motorcyclists. It's a series of dirt roads, farm roads, backcountry roads connecting the East Coast to the West Coast. Now, most recently, Jeepers have taken their four wheels to this trail and a chance to see the beauty in America you can't see from the blackened paved interstate. Sam Correro, he's the founder of the TransAmerica Trail. And Sam, tell us about the TransAmerica Trail. What started this?
I was living in central Mississippi, and I wanted a place to ride that wasn't congested with trucks and semis and 18-wheelers. So I started putting these county roads together, building a little track. And I got maybe 100 miles put together, and it turned out real good. So I said, I'm just going to keep on going west. So I did Arkansas. That turned out good. And then I went on and went on and went on, and finally got to the Pacific Ocean, and I had to stop. So that's how it started. I had no idea in this world that it would ever grow to be this big. It's very worldwide. You see places like this and all this, the back country, the mom and pop motels and restaurants that serve you fried bologna sandwiches,
Right.
stuff like that. It's just unbelievable.
These roll charts take a while to get used to. The Trans-American Trail can be navigated using either a combination of maps and roll charts or GPS tracks. Roll charts include easy-to-use step-by-step navigation for clockwise travel, while maps provide additional details, including a bird's-eye view of the trail and information about stops along the way like dining, lodging, vehicle maintenance, and more. GPS tracks allow riders to easily reverse the navigation. The average TAT rider covers 200 miles per day using the official navigation resources to plan each day's travel. When I first started planning for this, I found some other what people called the TAT.
Right.
And those maps were free. So what do you say to using other TAT maps that you don't get from you?
Using pirated maps.
Right, exactly.
Stolen maps. It's not beneficial for several reasons, because first of all, some of these guys will change the route. They have gone on private property. They have gone through people cutting locks and gates, and that creates a problem for everybody. When they go out and change the route from what the original route is and change it, it's not the TAT anymore. If they want to do that, that's fine, but they need to name it something else, and then I think that'll be okay. If you use my route, the original Sam's route, you will not have any problem with the log. You will not go through any you'll not go through any private land. You won't have to cut wires to get through, or bust gates to get through. The people that pirate my maps and give it away free, I don't understand what they are thinking, because they have stolen my this is my intellectual property. I put this together. It costs me money to do this. Traveling is expensive, time is expensive. And then they come and say, hey, we're gonna take this and we're going to put it on the internet, and we're going to give it away free. Well, that's not right. Well, it gives you a chance to see places in America that you will not normally see if you're on the damn interstate driving a car. The maps have so much information on them. All the names of these people, their phone numbers, the services that they order, places to eat, gas stops, motel stops, a lot of that, all that's on the maps.
A little tip if you do the TAT, if you're in a vehicle with four wheels, Give yourself a little more time than what you think you would need, because you're sometimes going 5 miles per hour to 20 miles per hour, usually at the max. I did most of the East Coast part of the TransAmerica Trail, and then an Arctic blast blew across the United States, and we kind of had to alter our plans and head south. That wrench thrown into our plans turned out amazing. The rest of the adventure was spectacular. And that's one thing I learned on this adventure, was going with the flow and letting the adventure lead you. For more information on the TAT, the TransAmerica Trail, there's a link in my description below.